Bentastico beats.
What's good? What's goody? What's happening? This is your boy Ben, and don't forget the Bentastico. Right now, we're currently in my beautiful hometown, Bainet. We at a little spot called Nan Lans. So we're about to go around, about to show you what Nan Lans look like. So come take a look. I mean, just a little spot you come through, hang around a little bit. This is Nan Lans and Bainet. Right now, I'm about to walk y'all to the beach and show y'all the beautiful ocean of Bainet. All right. So right here, this is the beach of Nan Lans Beach. We got the little boats around here. So when the fishermen come, you know, they take these little boats and they go fishing. So Bainet is well known for fish, because you know we're blessed to have this ocean right here that produces a huge amount of fish. So whenever the fishermen go fishing, they come back with a lot of fishes. You know what I mean? So shout out to Mother Nature, shout out to the ocean, shout out to the fishing. This is Nan Lans. Alright, so we about to take some rocks and just throw. Growing up, I used to throw rocks a lot, especially to get mangoes off of a mango tree. Used to throw them up, knock them down. So we about to throw some rock in the ocean right now. Let me see if I still got the arm, you know what I mean? Woo! I should have been a baseball player, right? Yeah. Woo! I've seen that, right? You seen that, right? Look at this, look at this, look at this. That was two. Watch this one. Watch this one. All right, my arm's hurt now. But as I can see, man, Bainet is beautiful. Nan Lans is beautiful. Beautiful ocean, beautiful beach, beautiful little spot. Oh man, I'm having a blast. So if you've never been to Bainet, definitely come to Bainet, man. Definitely come to Bainet, because Bainet is beautiful. Check out that. Listen. Take a listen to that ocean. Listen to the waves. Listen to the waves. I love Bainet, man.